Please start. Finish.
Alright. I want do the present. Check your attendant. Who is not
Coming.
coming?
Wawan Hamdani.
Where?
Sick man.
Alright. Siti, present.
Tiara present, man.
Tiara,
Present.
Wahyudi.
Present.
Alright.
Agusnya tulis lagi, Agusnya tulis.
Alright. Today our lesson is about narrative text.
Narrative text.
Ada yang tahu apa itu narrative text?
I don't know. Narrative text.
Teks
Dongeng.
ini kan tentang isi cerita-cerita.
Dongeng.
Novel.
Dongeng nih.
Ya, pelajaran
You're
bahasa
right.
Indonesia.
Oke, baiklah. Sekarang kita akan membahas tentang narrative text, yaitu fairy tale. Nah, from this picture, what do you think the story is about?
Nelayan, fisherman.
Ikan mas dan ikan mas saja ikan.
That's right.
Dan
I know. Look, fisherman.
Who do you think the main character here?
fisherman and golden fish.
No.
Ih,
Fisherman.
Main
Fisherman is
character is
cat.
only.
Fisherman is cat. Golden fish.
Only one.
So who the main character?
Fisherman. No, golden fish.
Right.
Jadi apa nih?
Ikan mas nih.
The main character is fisherman.
Oh.
And then where do you think the story take place?
Laut. Sea. No. Area. This area, the beach.
Yes.
Okay, right, good.
Ayo dada dulu dah.
Nggak ada pesimis.
Give applause to Wahyudi. Give applause to all. And then one more question. What kind of problem might the character face?
Wah.
Kira-kira apa yang akan dihadapi oleh main karakter ini? Masalah apa yang akan dihadapi?
Miskinan.
This is for synonym rich. Kaya synonymnya
Antonim.
Antonim, sorry ya. Siapa tadi yang jawab?
Kamila.
Give applause to Siti dan Tiara.
Itu sama.
And then the last question, have you ever heard this story before?
Not yet.
Jadi untuk cerita naratif biasanya kalian dengar apa aja?
Paling bunda.
Paling bunda,
Pulau Senua.
fairy tale. This is a Malin Kundang is a legend.
Oh, kalau Cinderella.
Cinderella, right, Siti? Yes.
Pulau Legenda Pulau Senua.
This is legend, not fairy tale.
Oh. Terus jadi so
The difference between legend and fairy tale, and nextly nanti kita diskusikan.
I will take note for.
Iya.
Ini jarinya tak sopan, tak boleh tunjuk-tunjuk gitu.
Please remind me ya, Wahyudi.
Yes.
Alright, this is what is narrative text? Please read Wahyudi.
So, what is a narrative text? A narrative text is a type of text that tells a story based on sequence of events, either real, factual, or imaginary, fictional. It usually includes characters, setting, problems, and resolutions. Main social purpose is to entertain the audiences, to amuse and engage the reader or listener, to deliver a life lesson or moral message.
Alright, we have 5 types of narrative text. We have fairy tale, fable, legends, myths, and adventure story. So, Wahyudi, the difference between fairy tales and the legend is fairy tale, fiction, story that
element
have a magic elements in the story.
Fiction.
Like it's not real
Yes.
in the real life. On the fiction. In the legends,
yes,
traditional
legend
story,
is
in
legend
the
maybe
culture is
no. Legend maybe is fact.
Mitos.
No. Mungkin sih kalau legend kan emang ada juga nyata gitu enggak?
Paling undang itu dia ada tempatnya. Sangkuriang itu
Mana
ada
di sport non fiksi?
in the
Gunung apa ya?
paling undang itu di Sumatera Barat itu ada
Fiksi itu termasuk fiksi.
realnya itu termasuk
Legend.
real legend.
Legend kan?
Yes.
Nah, legend itu realnya.
So the fairy tales like a Cinderella, apa kalian pernah
Fiksi.
lihat di dunia?
No. This is
Bisa lalu buat jadi
I know the Cinderella or the acting.
acting.
Ya,
So,
acting aja sih kayak hanya main apa? Pemeran.
jadi kalau di fairy tale itu di Cinderella pasti banyak magic elementsnya kan, daripada di legend.
Kami kok tadi membaca.
Alright, ini.
Oke, baiklah. Lanjut ya. Generic structure of narrative text. Please read, Tiara.
Generic structure of narrative text. First, oriental studies, the beginning of the story to introduce character are where and when the story takes place or setting and this situation or background before the main event happen and purpose give reader or listener context before the action starts. Example for the fisherman and the golden fish. Once upon a time, the fisherman and his wife lived in a small hut on the cliff near the great sea. Every day, the fisherman went to catch fish, but his wife was never happy with their sibling.
Alright. And then two, we have complication. This is the part where the story becomes interesting. It's present. The problem of conflict faced by the main character. Arising action that leads to the climax to turning point. Purpose to build tension and keep the audience engaged. Example from the fishman and the golden fish. You let the actions fish go, said the wife. We are poor and hungry. You could have asked for a better house. Another example, go back and ask him for a cottage. Better. This cottage is too small. I want to build squeeze. Alright, next. Resolution. Please read, Wahyudi.
Alright. Three resolution. This part solves how the problem is solved. It may lead to a happy, sad, or surprising ending, a return to normal, or a transformation in the character's lives. Purpose to bring closure and explain the outcome of the conflict. Yes, sir. I have realized that palace and thrones cannot buy happiness. Let's go home now. From that day on, they never went hungry again. They lived happily ever after.
Alright, thank you, Wahyudi. And then, Siti, can you read for me?
In Indonesia.
Okay, for the fourth is moral or message. This is optional but common. This is the lesson or value that the audience can learn from the story. It's not always stated directly, but can be understood from the events. Purpose to reflect on human behavior and teach good values. And for the example of that, for the example is true happiness does not come from getting everything you want, but from appreciating what you already have.
Alright. And then we have a language feature of narrative text. Here we have past tense. Narrative texts are usually written in the simple past tense because they tell events that happened in the past. Function to describe action that already happened. For example, the fisherman lived in small hut by the sea. He caught a magical fish. His wife asked for more. The sea turned back. And two, action verb. Narrative text include many action verbs to describe that the characters do. Function to bring energy and movement to story. For example, the fisherman went to the sea and fished for a living. He pulled with all his strength. And the next, please, Tiara, read for me.
Third, time connected or sequence work. What's that? So the order of event in the story. Function to organize the flow of the story and guide the audience through the event. Common word. Once upon a time, then after that suddenly finally. Example, one day while fishing the sea was calm. The next example, then he pulled up a shiny flower. Lanjut, Miss.
Wahyudi, please read number 4 for me.
Okay. Direct and indirect speech. Miss,
Yes.
kenapa dia nggak pernah baca?
Tadi baru sudah, makanya perhatikan. Main apa terus, Miss?
Direct and indirect speech optional. Narrative text may include dialogue to show how character speaks. Function to add drama, personality, and emotion to story. Example: look at the filthy hog. His wife complained, "Magic fish can carry me." The fisherman asked, "Go back." She already heard it. Replied the fish. Miss May mau nanya, kenapa di situ direct and indirect speech itu termasuk dengan optional? Maybe you can display for me, Miss.
A letter ya. Okay. Siri, please read number 5 for me.
Okay, for number 5 is descriptive language. Narrative text use adjective and adverb to describe characters, settings, and action in more details. Function is to help the audience visualize the scenes and feel the atmosphere. For the example is a small hut on a cliff near the Great Sea, a large shiny flower, and the last is the sea had turned green and yellow.
Alright. Thank you, Siti. Wahyudi, what's your question?
I want to question for. Yes, I also question for the direct and indirect speech. Maybe why this optional for the question this one?
Optional ya.
Yes. Why?
Ada yang tahu nggak kira-kira bisa dibantu pertanyaan Wahyudi?
Karena terserah penulis tak sih, Miss, mau meletakkan kata yang secara langsung atau tidak langsung, kata kutipannya.
Wahyudi, because in the narrative text written, penggunaan direct indirect speech tidak terlalu wajib ya. Ingat, take a note, please.
Catat, aku nanya tadi.
Why?
Why?
Tergantung gaya penceritanya. Nah, boleh nih Hili menghadirkan dialog langsung atau enggak menuliskan dialog langsung. Itu
Berarti
contohnya.
kayak seperti drama ini. Contohnya kan kalau drama kan kalau kita
Dulu penjelasannya ya. Kalau direct speech itu dia I'm living now, she said. Kalau indirect, she said that he was living. Perbedaannya ngomong gitu. Jadi kalau
Visit gitu ya, Miss?
yes,
Itu indirect dan directnya.
yes.
Oke, Miss.
Jadi dialog itu tuh bukan komponen struktur wajib. Tergantung penulisnya tuh dia mau ngasih POV dari karakternya ngomong atau dia langsung mengungkapkan gitu bahwa si ini tinggal di sini gitu.
Oke, Miss, saya tahu.
Bisa dipahami?
Juga, Miss.
Karena teks naratif itu bisa dipahami tanpa adanya dialog. Oke? You get it?
Yes.
Any question?
No.
Now, let's listen the story carefully for the first time. Just listen and enjoy. Alright?
Oke, Miss.
Just listen and enjoy.
The fisherman and his wife. The fisherman and his wife lived on a cliff near the great sea. Every day the fisherman used to go to the cliff and hook fishes for a living. He was happy with his humble life, but he knew well that the wife was not. She was always angry. Look at this filthy hat! The smell makes me sick. I clean it night and day and it just doesn't work. The fisherman loved his wife, but she never stopped complaining. On good days, when he caught 2 fishes, the wife asked for 3. If he got her mangoes, she would ask for peaches. There was nothing he could do to make her happy.
Oh dear, what could I do to make you happy?
Get me out of this stinky hut. I will be happy then. One day, the fisherman went to catch fish near the cliff. The water was calm and blue. He sat there with his fishing hook deep into the sea. A few hours passed by, and he grew tired.
I guess we will have to live on fruits today. Oh wait, I feel something.
The husband held tightly upon his fishing rod and began to pull.
Oh, this is heavy. Must be a big one.
As the hook came up, he was surprised to see a flounder. It was a colorful and shiny one.
Oh, flounder. How is it so heavy? Maybe it has eaten too much.
No, fisherman, that's not why I weigh more than the other fishes.
What? Did you just talk to me? What just happened? Do you know my name?
I know a lot more about you. I am not a normal fish. I am an enchanted prince. Let me go. I will not taste good to you anyways. Please, don't kill me.
Oh, say no more. I will certainly not kill a talking fish. Off you go.
Ah, thank you. The husband was excited to tell his wife about his flounder. He rushed home and forgot that he had no fish to give to his wife today.
Honey, I have something to tell you. Come fast.
What? No fish today?
Oh, no. I had caught a flounder, but he talked. He told me that he was an enchanted prince.
What? What happened then?
And then I let him go. He is in the sea now.
You caught an enchanted fish and let it go just like that. Why would you do that? We are poor and hungry. We live in this stinky hut. You could have asked for a better house at least.
How can he give me a house? He can't do that. We must be happy with what we have.
I will be happy if I live in a cottage. Didn't you say he was an enchanted prince? You spared his life. He can do this much for you. Go back and ask for a cottage. The husband was hesitant, but he went back to the sea. To his surprise, the water had turned a little green and yellow.
Magic fish! Can you hear me?
The flounder came to the surface in no time, as if it was waiting for the husband to come back.
My wife is not happy.
What does she want?
She wants a cottage.
Good. Back. She and searched. He ran back to the sea. The water was now still and clear. The clouds had parted, and the sun shone brightly.
Magic fish! Oh, magic fish! Can you hear me? Please come back! What did you do to my wife?
I granted her wish. She wanted to be the Almighty, the unknown. That's what she is. Nobody has ever seen the Almighty. She is now unknown to everyone.
No, please, give her back to me.
I cannot undo a wish, fisherman.
Wait, I know. Up till now, I only asked for my wife. You granted all her wishes. But I am the one who saved your life. Grant me my wish.
You're right. What do you want? The fisherman took a deep breath.
I want my wife to be happy.
Go back, friend. She already has everything she needs to be happy. The husband hurried back home. He was surprised. He saw his wife standing at the door of his small hut. But it wasn't Stinky anymore. He ran towards his wife.
Oh, you're back. You're back.
Yes, dear. I realize that palaces and thrones cannot buy happiness. Let's go home now. From that day on, the fisherman and his wife never went hungry for a single day. The wife realized that happiness lies in the simplest of things, and they lived happily ever after.
Alright, before I give you a worksheet, do you have any question about our material?
No.
Alright. I give you a story mapping worksheet from the story. You can kalau bisa mengisinya nanti misalkan memutarkan videonya lagi atau mengisinya
Putar lagi baca.
atau kalian bisa mengisinya secara
Video yang tadi.
iya sambil mengisi mungkin kalian masih mengingat-ingat bisa diputarin untuk mengisi.
Ada penan.
Jawabnya di mana tadi?
Beginning itu apa, Miss?
Beginning, di awal. Apa yang terjadi pada awal ceritanya? Di awal ceritanya, apa yang tadi setelah Ananda semua tonton, di awal ceritanya mulai terjadinya masalah itu apa tadi?
Tidak ikan.
Fish, yes, that's right.
Apa tadi, Miss? Apa ikan?
Yes.
Catfish ya, Miss?
Di bawah ini juga, Miss?
Yes.
Got or get?
Apa, Miss?
Untuk teman-temannya ya Mama Bibi. Yakin Mama Bibi semua yang ditulis sudah benar?
Benar, Miss.
Oke, nanti kita bahas bareng-bareng ya.
Oke, Miss.
Finish? Oke, baiklah. Sekarang coba dicek jawabannya ke teman sebelahnya.
Begitu, Bang.
Ya, coba tolong dicek ya. Ya, acak. Udah dicek semuanya?
Aku. Miss, cuma apa sendiri aja, Miss?
Gak bisa, karena kita akan mengoreksi pemahaman Anda semua ya.
Jangan kasih tahu.
Kan ada siapa yang kasih?
Nenek, tak ada.
Miss, udah siap.
Udah semuanya?
Ya.
Wahyudi pemegang kunci siapa?
Siti. Apa pula?
Bahasa Inggris kampus.
tahu.
Ya, ready ya. Dari pertama story mappingnya di worksheet itu ada karakter.
Ya belum, saya lupa kan sampai nomor 1.
Baiklah, di karakter itu siapa aja karakter di dalam video tadi?
Fisherman,
Semen.
golden fish, white,
Oke, settingnya di
beach,
ya.
beach.
bisa. Lalu di sini ada
Tadi
problem.
si, Miss.
Iya,
Tadi si.
sama aja beach.
It's okay. Problemnya itu kenapa ya? Wahyudi?
Problemnya itu he was not happy for this. Dia nggak senang dengan hidup dia.
Siapa yang enggak
Why?
bahagianya?
Why?
And then
Kalau Wahyudi punya, Siti punya, poor and the wife always feel not happy.
same.
The problem is his wife not happy.
Sama kan?
Same ya. Terus karena dia nggak happy, istrinya terlalu banyak permintaan. Nah,
Demikian.
habis itu dia di awal cerita itu ada what happened at the beginning of the story.
Oke. Kalau punya Siti, Miss, the fisherman bought the golden fish. Punya siapa? Sebut.
Fisherman catch golden.
Fish.
Yes.
Wahyudi, kita dapat dibaca, Miss.
Golden brown.
Chicken fish.
Salah, Miss, yang Wahyudi can fish. Bisa
Mana?
ingat.
Oh ya, aku buat saya ikan aja nih.
Salah, Miss.
Ken ya, Ken itu
Kan menangkap ikan.
Ken itu bisa.
Ken itu bisa Wahyudi.
Oh iya, salah tadi sendiri. Berarti
Coach.
oh iya, tadi
Oke.
cat tadi. Typo.
Oke, mesti lain kali jangan terburu-buru ya Wahyudi.
Oke, Dami, nggak apa-apa.
Salah.
Tapi kalau gitu ya.
Kami
Kali ini Miss Fisherman cat golden brown. Apa sih?
golden fish.
Itu karena Wahyudi yang awal buat dan terburu-buru. Lain kali jangan terburu-buru ya Wahyudi. Please cek pekerjaan Wahyudi terlebih dahulu. Lalu di sini ada even middle, yaitu what happened in the middle of story. Apa ya kira-kira yang terjadi di tengah-tengah cerita setelah fisherman-nya menangkap ikan masnya? Kira-kira apa?
Kalau yang baca yang kemana gitu, Miss?
Iya, bacanya yang kenyataan.
Yang punya Simut, his wife asked to her husband, she want to be happy.
Nah,
Betul, Miss?
right, itu bisa.
Fisherman have many wishes and she got it, but she still not happy she still not happy
Udah 7.
my husband.
Ini
Ya, oke, itu boleh. Wahyudi
His
punya.
wife not happy.
Why? In the middle
Dia
of
good.
the story, the fishman wish for better house. Bisa. Istrinya minta. Tadi di cerita istrinya mau jadi ratu. Bisa.
Oh iya.
Mau jadi emperor. Bisa.
Ya ini Miss the unknown.
Unknown.
Nah,
Itu
itu
kayak
dia menghilang dari bumi.
itu tuh jadinya dia kayak menjadi sang pencipta gitu. Dia bisa
Dari
menjadi
luar.
siang dan malam. Iya. Karena dia saking bingungnya mau minta apa lagi ya ini.
Nah, Miss, itu sebenarnya yang mau menjaga Miss.
Lalu,
Bullshit.
Kayak tadi, tadi lah memang masa husband apa ya husband?
lalu di endingnya, di ending dari ceritanya apa itu? Ending
Sama
dari
ini, Miss.
ceritanya. Coba
Kalau punya Siti, Miss,
akhir
finally
dari ceritanya.
he his wife
Yes.
feel the happiness is not from all she got but from her husband.
Betul lah. Betul.
Kalau ini Miss,
Finally, his wife
fisherman and his wife happy together.
Iya bisa.
Nggak bisa. Itu
Bisa.
resolusinya atau gimana?
Itu endingnya. Miss mau minta even endingnya. Akhir dari ceritanya
Oh,
tadi
ini.
apa setelah dia makan?
Oh ini Miss.
Iya yang di terakhir
Salah
itu.
Miss. Oke,
Resolution.
ini jam itu fisherman make a wish happy for his partner.
Yang mana
Ini
coba?
Wahyudi kan aku udah bilang kebalik. Miss ini Miss yang
Oh iya,
itu.
it's okay. Terbalik ya. Husband and his wife happy together. Oke.
Miss.
Dibalik ya, dia tadi salah tulis Wahyudi.
Tidak ada tanda panah, Yudi.
Ini
Kita
Wahyudi.
cek.
Wahyudi punya apa?
Wahyudi
His
punya.
wife happy.
Oke, boleh.
Hello.
Oke, kita menuju ke akhirnya yaitu resolution. Bagaimana sih akhir dari penyelesaian masalahnya? Gimana sih fisherman itu mengakhiri masalahnya dan mendapatkan istrinya kembali?
Nelayan ini fisherman and his wife happy together forever.
Resolution. Di
Fisherman,
atasnya itu kan
Ini,
Oh.
saya terbalik.
fisherman make a wish happiness for his wife together forever.
boleh.
Mana ada together forever?
Oke.
Fisherman asked to the golden fish. He want to his wife feel happy.
Oke. And then Siti,
Dan arrogant.
don't arrogant. Why you right?
Dia memang berikat apa ya?
Kamu tadi duluan siap ya. Kamu tadi memaksa-maksa Miss untuk cepat selesai. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Nanti dipelajari lagi di rumah. Itu boleh dikembalikan lagi ke taman.
Moralnya Miss, Miss.
Oh, moralnya. Oh, Miss lupa moral. Coba apa aja moralnya?
Well, can buy happiness.
Cannot. Can.
Can juga.
Ada
Iya.
Oh.
Can.
Yang megang punya Tiara apa moral pesan moral dari
Well,
Tiara?
can buy happiness forever together.
Dan kalau berbeda tuh Miss.
Oke.
Kayak yang tidak bisa.
Punyanya Siti siapa yang megang?
Miss.
Ya, bacakan moral dari.
Please don't brutal twin.
Bukan
Oke,
Dion.
yang terlalu serakah ya, jadi orang ya.
Skincare.
Nikmati dan
Jadi terlalu
syukuri
pakai skincare, maksudnya
apa yang
skincare.
dimiliki. Apa yang punya Wahyudi apaan itu?
Don't sombong, don't sok-sokan kaya.
Apaan itu sama kan sosokan kaya ya Wahyudi?
Betul David.
Using English. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Kembali lagi ke teman-temannya. Baiklah. Nah, dari hasil story meme kita ada beberapa teman ya mungkin masih belum paham ya tentang resolution dan perbedaan resolution dan endingnya. Tadi mungkin Miss belum menjelaskan. Nah, apa sih bedanya Miss event endingnya dan resolution? Nah, ending dari story itu adalah akhir dari ceritanya, misalnya hidupnya karakter itu akhirnya apa? Hidup bahagia atau dia menjadi miskin lagi dan sebagainya. Nah, kalau resolution itu penyelesaian masalahnya, kenapa, bagaimana dia bisa jadi miskin gitu? Kenapa dia bisa kembali happy tanpa rumah yang megah dan harta yang melimpah? Baiklah, mungkin sekian penjelasan dari Miss. Ada yang mau bertanya? Wahyudi terutama, karena ya Wahyudi banyak salahnya itu di bagian resolution dan
Semuanya Miss.
ya semuanya itu Wahyudi. Kenapa bisa salah? Bisa langsung beritahu Miss? Kira-kira apa yang
Mereka juga nggak terlalu fokus tadi.
nggak terlalu fokus
Nggak
ya?
terlalu
Oke,
makan.
karena Wahyudi nggak terlalu fokus, please stand up.
Semuanya kan?
Yes.
Wahyudi sama.
Oke. Jump. Right. Left. Right. And wait. But from the story.
About narrative text.
Sama story-nya atau sama materinya?
About the story.
Dan arahkan.
Itu tak sombong, udah.
Dia tidak sombong, hanya saja dia tidak.
Enggak, maksudnya dia terlalu sok-sok
Merasa
gitu, Mi.
cukup.
Iya.
Ya, dia terlalu sok-sok menjadi kayak ingin menjadi lebih wow daripada orang lain gitu, Mi.
Oke, baiklah. Ada pertanyaan tentang naratif teks dan
No,
fairy tale?
no.
Oh, baiklah. Mungkin nanti Anda semua bisa belajar lagi, coba latihan lagi di rumah. Nanti misalkan memberikan beberapa homework atau tugas harian, nanti misalkan berikan. Keep practice at home, and then leader Wahyudi, please.
Alright, so everyone please pray together. Start. Finish.
Alright, thank you.